The Terasaki ESM-103Y K-098-3-001 starter module is a high-quality, reliable component, making it an essential part of the Terasaki product line. The Terasaki ESM-103Y K-098-3-001 starter module is crafted for high quality and reliability, with its precise part number K-098-3-001. The Terasaki ESM-103Y K-098-3-001 starter module stands out for its high-quality construction and renowned durability. As part of the esteemed Terasaki product line, it delivers exceptional efficiency. The Terasaki ESM-103Y K-098-3-001 starter module is a standout in its class. As part of the esteemed Terasaki line, designed to meet the demands of modern business environments. The Terasaki ESM-103Y K-098-3-001 starter module exemplifies reliability and durability, key traits of the Terasaki product line. The Terasaki ESM-103Y K-098-3-001 starter module stands as a symbol of reliability and durability. Trust in Terasaki's reputation for delivering innovative, high-performance components that meet the rigorous demands of today's industry, reinforcing its leadership in engineering excellence. The part number K-098-3-001 is crucial for identifying the specific starter module within Terasaki's product line. This unique identifier ensures easy reference, streamlining inventory management and procurement processes. It guarantees compatibility, allowing seamless integration into existing systems. Thank you for trusting Remedimations.